Welcome Buntais, a very warm welcome to the channel and to the series of a short trip to South India.
Just to find it out and cease. We set down by the fire, knowing we couldn't hide, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, inside me laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to.
We thought of starting a journey to South India by visiting the edge of India, Kanyakumari, which is also known as the Land's End.
I'm in a tropic club.
कार में तकरीबन 2 घंटे लंबी सफ़र के बाद फाइनली वी रीच द एंड ऑफ इंडिया. आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग कार जर्नी एंड क्लिकिंग सम ब्यूटीफुल सेल्फीज हम निकले पेट पूजा करने. वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड गेव अ पॉजिटिव फीडबैक अबाउट दिस रेस्टोरेंट, तो हमने सोचा चलो यहीं पे पेट पूजा कर लेते हैं.
I remember the ocean.
देन हम निकले बीच की तरफ वेयर अ बिग सरप्राइज वॉज वेटिंग फॉर अस.
We were traveling the mountains just to find it out and cease.
After the demise of Mahatma Gandhi, his ashes were kept in 12 different urns. Among those, one of the urn was brought to Kanyakumari in this particular spot. Now let's come to the surprise part. Actually, we thought that ferry rides were closed for Vivekananda Memorial, but luckily ferry rides were on and the large boat was about to leave in just 10 minutes. Without knowing the direction to the ticket counter, we ran here and there, but finally we reached ticket counter at the last minute. Ticket price was 50 rupees per person. कैमरा के सामने कोई भी बंदा नर्वस हो ही जाता है. मेरा भी दोस्त ऐसे ही कुछ नर्वस होके जोश में लाइफ जैकेट उल्टा पहना दिया. हमने सोचा था कि विंडो सीट्स पकड़ेंगे और अच्छे सिनेमैटिक शॉट्स निकालेंगे, बट विंडो सीट क्या, यहाँ पर तो सीट भी नहीं मिला. गाइस, अगर आपको मुंबई की लोकल ट्रेन में चढ़ने की आदत है तो आप यहाँ के बोट में इजीली विंडो सीट भी पकड़ सकते हो. मंडप दिखने में तो नज़दीक लगता है, बट गाइस इट टुक लिटरली 20 to 30 minutes फॉर अस टू रीच देयर एंड वी वर स्टैंडिंग इन द एंटायर बोट राइड. एंड गाइस, दिस इज द तिरुवल्लुवर स्टैचू. द हाइट ऑफ द स्टैचू इज 95 feet and it is standing on a rock of 38 feet. And this 38-foot rock represents the 38 chapters of virtue in the Tirukural. We finally reached the unplanned spot of the day, Vivekananda Rock Memorial. And guys, if you don't know who Swami Vivekananda is, he was an inspiring personality who was well known both in India as well as in USA. He was best known for his groundbreaking speech where he introduced Hinduism to America and called for religious tolerance. And this is the Sri Pada Mandapam, which is having a study hall and a museum. यहाँ का हवा इतना तेज़ था कि मेरा ट्राइपॉड गिर गया. I thought of vlogging something, but I ended up adjusting my hairstyle. When tsunami hit Kanyakumari on 26 December 2004, this monument stood unaffected. The huge wave hit this statue and went back. Guys, wave की हाइट इस स्टैचू के शोल्डर्स को भी कवर कर ली थी, तो आप लोग ही समझ जाओ how strong this rock statue was been built. ट्रैवल ब्लॉगिंग में मैंने इतना तो सीख लिया है, जहाँ जहाँ मौका मिलता है एक अच्छा सा टाइम लैप्स निकाल लो. Unfortunately, there was no photography allowed inside the mandapam. There was a huge Swami Vivekananda statue.
too hard. We were traveling mountains just to find a
Guys, I am new to travel vlogging, तो मैंने थोड़े बहुत B-roll shots भी try कर लिए. So this is the shot number 1.
could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am,
And this was the shot number 2.
trees waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave. I'm in a
And this was the shot number 3 with rolling up my sleeves. Guys, इसमें ऐसे लग रहा है मैं किसी को मारने जा रहा हूँ. And this was the last B-roll shot of the day, but again I ended up with adjusting my hairstyle. Guys, please comment section में ये बताओ कि which B-roll shot was much better. So guys, if you have spent your precious time watching this video, then do hit the like or dislike button. Also, don't forget to suggest your thoughts in the comment section. Having said that, dream bigger, achieve bigger, and stay away from negativity.
Subscribe to Melchis.
Like, share and subscribe.
Having said that, signing off. आपका बनता है मिलती.
traveling mountains just to find the loudest seas.
इस व्यू के लिए तो गाइस एक तो लाइक बनता ही है.
But we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to,
Still, there are a lot more to come, guys. If you enjoyed this video, then hit the like button, and to stay updated, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. And thank you, Bantais, for watching this video till here.
'cause I am happy on this island.